Welcome to the welcome to the data visualization learning session. Today we'll be talking about strategic use of contrast. In this data set, we have the small fiction data set from a comparative study of a survey results from 6 colleges. And these are the indexes or index survey results that goes from minus to positive 1 for each of the 5 categories such as campus course availability, advising, diversity, campus life, and job placement. Now, in this data set, we have the data that goes from minus to positive, and we want to reindex it so that it goes from 0 to positive so that it's easier to read. Can you think about how we should do the reindexing for a few seconds? We can do reindexing by adding the lowest value, that is minus 1.5, to all the values. After we do that, then the lowest value becomes a 0. And if you look at the second data set at the bottom, that's what you see. It has been reindexed such that the lowest value is 0. Now, we want to move on to the next slide where we have this our performance data, and it has been presented as a horizontal bar graph. This is a really interesting bar graph because it has so many beautiful colors, but it is a bit distracting as well, and it has been done previously. We want to improve this. Can I think about for a few minutes how we can improve this so that it is less distracting and more easier to read? We can improve this by doing like this. Here, several things has been done. First is that we have grayed out the other colleges except our college, and that's the first thing we did. And we highlight our college as a green consistently. It has been constantly highlighted as a green across all the categories. Second, it has been placed at the top of each of category, and other colleges has been placed at the bottom of the our colleges. And to make things easy to read, we have also added an annotation for each of the bars for our college, such that the viewers or audience have easier time to understanding the what the information is trying to present. Now, by doing this, it's also quickly easy to interpret the data, what's being presented. Now, if you look at job placement, it says that it's 1 out of 6. So that's our strength. And if you look at the course availability, it's 6 out of 6. That's our one of that's the area where it needs improvement. Now, in this way, we are able to quickly interpret data that's being presented to us and get some actionable insight. Now, let's quickly see what are the fundamentals of data visualization that has been implemented here. First of all, we use color to differentiate the important information from non-important information, and we didn't use bright color. We just used the green color and other was a gray color. That's how we did that, and we make sure that we strategically place the our bar at top of each category so that it's easy to find the bar that belongs to our college. So that helps you quickly read the data. In this way, let me quickly summarize what we learned today. We learned that we need to create data visualization in a clear, actionable, and easy to interpret manner. If we do that, then the audience will be able to interpret data in much quickly manner and able to take away the actionable insight from the data. And there are several principles that help to create a clear data visualization, such as using colors, using annotation, and positioning the other information such that it is easier to read. So that's all for today. I will see you next learning session. Thank you so much.